Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to use the App Store on a PC, the first thing to understand is that there's no official App Store application for Windows computers, but you can still access Apple services in a few different ways depending on what you need. First, if you just want to manage your Apple account or purchases, you can use iTunes for Windows, download it from Apple's official website and sign in with your Apple ID. Next, if you want access to Apple services like Photos, Notes, or email, you can go to iCloud.com in your browser and log in with your Apple ID. However, if your goal is to download iPhone or iPad apps, you cannot do that directly on a PC because the App Store only works on Apple devices. Some developers use iOS simulators or emulators to test apps, but these are mainly for development and not for normal app downloading. And if you are using a Mac computer instead of Windows, the App Store is already built in, so you can use it directly without any extra installation. And that's it. That's how you can use Apple services on a PC and understand the limitation of the App Store. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.